Welcome to Homework Lib.
If the ratio is 5 parts of oil to 2 parts vinegar, and you use 1 1/4 cups oil, then 1 1/4 or 5/4 or 1.25, we want to figure out how much oil or how much vinegar that should be applied here. So cross multiply. We got one cross product is 5 eggs. The other cross product would be 10/4 or 5/2. And then divide both sides by 5, or multiply by 1/5 is a better way to think of it in this case. And x would equal 5/10 or 1/2. So we'd need 1/2, which is choice A, 1/2 cup of vinegar.